Just problems on inclined venturimeter. Problems on inclined venturimeter. So let me take one problem. Okay. A 30 into 15 centimeter venturimeter is inserted to vertical pipe. So as given 30 centimeter into 15 centimeter, okay, venturimeter is inserted into a vertical pipe. So here you need to underline the word vertical pipe. Need to underline the word vertical pipe. It is carrying a water. And second thing I need to note down is water. Water is flowing in a pipe. Water in a pipe I will write. Okay. Then and it is flowing in upward direction. It is flowing in upward direction. That is, we can make another note. So it is taking place in the upward direction. A differential mercury manometer connected to inlet and the throat is given the reading as 20 centimeter. So he has given the x value as 20 centimeter. X is equal to 20 centimeter. Find the discharge. So asking to find the discharge. So this is x. Find the discharge. And he has given CD is equal to 0.98. CD is equal to 0.98. So I need to find out the discharge. The first thing, the water is vertical pipe, and second thing, water is flowing through a pipe, and the pipe is the water flowing in upward direction. That means I can write like this: pipe is there, and this is the direction of flow, and here the venturimeter has been installed. So here the venturimeter has been installed in vertical direction. Okay, and the manometer, what they are taking is, it's a manometer. The mercury will be considered. Okay, mercury is there in the manometer. Okay, and the water is flowing through this pipe. Okay, water is flowing through this pipe. So it is considered as heavier liquid or lighter liquid formula? Yes?
Lighter liquid formula. Lighter liquid.
Lighter liquid formula. Any other answer?
Since mercury is flowing inside the venturimeter, it is heavier liquid formula.
Mercury is flowing in the manometer. Mercury in the manometer.
Manometer.
Water is flowing in a pipe.
Pipe.
Okay, so which is having more density?
Mercury.
Mercury. Then it is related to hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yes, sir. Yeah.
ಇವಾಗ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತು.
Okay. See now, I think many of you see in this is very important thing. Once if you are good with the which formula you need to take, then remaining everything is very much easy. Very much easy. Just you need to find out whether it is related to heavier liquid or whether it is related to lighter liquid. Okay. If you have filed taking a wrong formula, okay, then the whole problem will be wrong. Still, how many of you are having doubt? So how to take the formula for H? Can you raise your hands? Still, how many of you are having doubts to take the formula for H? Can you raise your hands? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, okay. See now, just leave it. You leave. Don't worry about the problem. Leave about the problem. Just I will say in a simple way. You keep remember that one. That's all. Okay. See in the just I will take in terms of manometer. Only manometer. I will take in terms of manometer. So this is a manometer. Just I will take one pipe. The pipe with U2 manometer can get connected. So just I will take this as section number 1. This point of connection I will take it as section number 2. Now let me take, we have a mercury in this manometer. Mercury in this manometer. Just only with respect to this manometer only you consider. Only with respect to manometer, the H value. Now here consider water is flowing. Water. And here mercury. Okay, so density of water is 1000. What is density of mercury? 13,600. Or specific gravity. What is specific gravity of water? What is specific gravity of water?
1, sir.
Okay, 1. So now from these values, which is the greater value?
Mercury.
Mercury.
Mercury, sir.
Then for this figure, I will consider a weir formula. That means H is equal to X into AVR minus 1. This is one condition. Okay. Now, suppose in the second figure I will consider. Okay. Second figure also I will consider same thing. Okay. So here I will consider the oil is flowing. I will consider in the pipe oil is flowing. Okay. In the manometer, I have considered water. Manometer, I have considered the water. Now the specific density of this one, just I will take it as 0.0. 8. Okay. Or I will consider the specific gravity of this as 1.8. Just for reference, I will take 1.8. And this is 1. So now which is having a in the mercury manometer, sorry, in the figure, which is heavier liquid?
Oil, sir.
Oil.
Water, sir.
No, just to consider heavier, just to consider heavier only. See, I am taking the formula with respect to this manometer. Here, mercury, as it is presence of mercury, it is more compared to this one. So I consider heavier. But here, if I consider with respect to this manometer, it is lesser. Correct? It is
Yes, sir.
lesser. So I will take lighter. Only you take with respect to this. If it is more with respect to this, then I am going to take higher. If this is less compared to this, I am going to take lighter. Then I will take the formula H is equal to X into 1 minus SL by S naught. SL by S naught. Okay, just to take the what are the values with respect to this and compare with the what are the fluid it is taking place in the pipe. If it is more compared to the flow of the fluid, then you take higher formula. If it is less compared to the flow of the fluid with respect to manometer, consider it as lighter. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Just okay. Just see, I will give one just information. You tell me whether it is a higher liquid or formula or lighter liquid formula. Okay. So here, so liquid flowing through the pipe is having a specific gravity 0.6. Is having a specific gravity of 0.6. S is equal to 0.6. The flow of the fluid in a pipe. So this is a problem, one of the problem in the textbook. Okay, just for your understanding purpose, I am just telling the data. 0.6 specific gravity of the fluid liquid is flowing in a pipe. Sorry, one second. The difference pressure between the throat measured by a liquid specific gravity 0.6. Okay, then between the 0.2 times the kinetic energy, the loss of it between the this we need to solve. The discharge 30 centimeter. So here we need to calculate liquids also. Okay, leave. So just I will take one formula based on the lighter liquid itself, then I will solve it. Okay, then people will come to one clear picture. So now you have any doubt in this while considering this one, this lighter as with this heavier?
No, sir.
Okay. So now, can you tell me for the present problem, we need to consider lighter liquid or heavier liquid? Yes.
Heavier, sir.
Pakka?
Heavier liquid formula, sir.
Heavier
Yes, sir.
liquid.
Conformly?
Yes, sir.
Others?
Yes, sir.
Heavier,
Why,
sir.
why, why we need to consider heavier liquid there? Heavier formula, why we need to consider?
Because
Here
mercury
water
is
given.
heavier
Water is
compared to water flowing
mercury
in the
is
pipe.
heavier compared to water, sir.
Okay, compared to water, mercury is having a high specific gravity. That's why we have considered the heavier formula for that. Okay, so now substitute it and tell me what is the answer of H. Now H is equal to X into SH by S naught minus 1. So X value is given. What is X value?
0.2 and
0.2.
20 in centimeter.
SH 13.6 divided by 1 minus 1. Yes. What is
2.52.
test?
2.52 meter.
0.52 meter. Okay. Then what is Q? That's all very simple. If you are done with H, then nothing is there in this formula problems. Nothing is there. Just substitute the formula CD into square root of 2GH into A1 A2 divided by square root of A1 square minus A2 square. So you people can able to get 8 to 10 marks from this. What is the difficulty in this? Substitute calculate A1 A2 and remaining data is given. You can tell what is Q. Yes, is it over?
Ten 10.98 liters per second, sir.
How much?
Is it correct, sir? 10.98. Is it correct, sir?
No.
So 24.35.
20. No. Okay. So any other answers? This is simple calculation. Can you make fast? CD is 0.2 into 9.81 into 0.5. What is A1? What is A1 A2? There he has given the diameters D130, D250. Calculate A1, A2 and tell me what is the answer.
28.201 liter per second.
28. Is anyone got 125? 125 or 0.00125?
Sir, 125.85.
Yeah, 125.85 is the answer. So what is the A1 value you got? A1 is
Sir, 1257.
706.858, sir, A1.
125. Yes, that is right answer.
I'm talking about A1, sir.
A1, you tell me what is A1?
706.858.
706 in centimeter or meter? That is in centimeter what you are saying.
Centimeter, sir. That is in centimeter.
Yeah, that is in centimeter. And A2, 176.7 centimeter square.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Then substitute the same thing, you are going to get the answer.